Welcome to Myrko's Werkstatt. Today I printed Super Mario on my Anycubic Kobra X 3D printer. It took about 16 hours for the print to finish. The print was done on 8 separate build plates. A total of about 400 grams of filament was used. The individual parts were glued together with superglue. The model is about 28 centimeters tall or about 11 inches. I had a lot of fun printing and assembling it. I hope you enjoy the video and you leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned until the end to see the final result. Please subscribe, like and share this video. May the print force be with you.